Hey, Dylan Fry, the real estate guy, here to be your guy for any real estate needs in the Kansas City area. I'm a licensed realtor in the Kansas City market, and I'm here to help you make your move to the Kansas City area a lot smoother. Today we're out here doing a neighborhood video of Cottonwood Creek. Cottonwood Creek is a newer development in a suburb outside of the Kansas City area. We're going to check out some houses, what those price ranges would be. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to give you some tips on what you should be looking at if you're making that move to Kansas City. Let's go check it out. So out here in Kearney, Missouri, which is a suburb outside of Kansas City area, great suburb, got great school districts, and we're going to talk a little bit more about that. But today we are out in Cottonwood Creek. This is a newer development, a family development, and you've got big homes out here. You've got a few different styles, and we're going to get into them today and let you check out what these homes look like and then get an aerial view of what those homes have to offer. Let's talk about Cottonwood Creek and what it is. So it is a newer family development. Every home is going to have at least 3+ bedrooms. You're going to be looking at 3 styles of homes. You're going to be having a ranch style home. You got the ranch reverse. Those two, I kind of tie those together. Then you're going to have some split entries that are out here. Maybe you're a younger couple, you like the steps, you like that split entry setup. You can go downstairs or you can go up. And then you've got that garage off to the side. Or you've got a couple 2-stories out here. Now, the 2 stories are a little bit more rare. The main thing that you're going to be seeing as we go through this neighborhood is a lot of ranches, ranch reverse. So you're going to be seeing that single level living. And so if that is what you're looking for, Cottonwood Creek may be the best spot for you. Let's talk about price points out here. So your price points are going to be somewhere between the $350,000 and the $500,000 range. So it seems like a little bit of a wide range, but your split entries are not going to be as much as your ranch style homes. So you can get into this neighborhood in a split entry somewhere in the $350,000, $375,000 range, but your ranch style homes, they're going to be upwards of $450,000, $500,000. So with this development being developed in 2018, all the homes in here you're going to see are of newer styles. You're going to be seeing a lot of custom features. When you're taking a look at these homes, you're going to want to check out what the features are inside the house, because you're going to see a variation throughout, just because of how new this development is. It's a beautiful day out here, but you can tell sometimes out here in this Missouri weather, this wind will get you, and sometimes you feel like you're going to blow away. So if you're looking to move to Kansas City, make sure you have those windbreakers, because you're going to want them. Anytime you get out here on this flat level ground, you're going to be having that wind come at you, and it'll likely blow you away. Where Cottonwood Creek is located, you are on the south side of Kearney, and it is very easy to get on the main highways and get to be able to commute to work. That's one key thing. If you're looking to move to Kansas City, that's the awesome thing about the suburbs, is you can move out of the city, still be able to commute in a decent amount of time to wherever you work. And so if you're looking to move to Kansas City and you're looking out in these suburbs, Cottonwood Creek has great access to the main highways. It's going to make your life out here easy, and that's one of the huge things about moving out here, is being able to commute and be able to get to places very quickly. Another thing about Cottonwood Creek is it is in the Kearney School District. Kearney has great school programs, from the early childhood development center to all the way up through their high school programs. It is a very coveted system. That's why Kearney is one of the fastest growing suburbs in the Kansas City area, is because everybody loves the school system and they really care about their kids. Now that we went through some benefits of what Cottonwood Creek has to offer, let's check out some homes, and that way you can see if Cottonwood Creek is the neighborhood for you. So let's talk about the first home out here in Cottonwood Creek. We've got a split entry here. You can check out the nice finishes, amazing finishes on the outside. We've got that stone veneer. We've got the 2-car garage. Now, like we were talking about in the beginning of the video, with this split entry, you're going to have a lot of custom finishes. With these homes being built since 2018, you're seeing a lot of granite countertops and nice flooring inside the house, and you're going to be seeing open floor plans. If that's what you enjoy and you like that newer style of home, These split entries are going to be your entry level point that you're going to be able to get in here at. You're going to be looking somewhere in the 350, 375 range. You're probably talking this is either going to be a 3 to 4 bedroom with 2 bath, and probably looking at about 1,300 square feet up and about 500 down, so you're looking at about 1,800 total square feet, and then you add that garage on there for extra storage space. So now out here in Cottonwood Creek, let's talk about the coveted ranch style homes. So you're going to be looking at this. You've got this oversized garage. You've still got the nice finishes outside. You got that stone veneer. You've got amazing windows. You got a lot of custom features on the outside as well. So let's talk about what these homes have to offer on the inside. They've got open floor plans. You're going to be talking about one level living. You're also going to have a basement to where you can finish that how you would like if it's not already finished, or you're going to be able to have that extra custom area finished in the basement as well. A lot of these ranch style homes have this oversized garage on them, plus you're looking somewhere between 4 and 5 bedrooms inside the house. You're going to be looking at probably 3 bathrooms. You're going to have 2 upstairs, 1 down in the basement, and then you're going to see a ton of custom finishes in these homes. All of these homes have been built since 2018. A lot of these ranch style homes have been built in the last 2 years. So you're looking somewhere between 2020, 2021, 2022. A lot of people have been going to the single level living and love being on one level. You don't have those steps. You've got the open floor plan. You've got everybody on one level. It is amazing. If you want to check out some ranch homes, come check out Cottonwood Creek in this neighborhood. It's going to be the neighborhood for you. The last homes we're going to check out in Cottonwood Creek are the 2 stories. So you still see we've got a common theme out here. We've got those nice finishes. We've got that stone veneer. You're looking at homes with a double garage. You got 1 oversized on the 2 stories. Your 2 stories are going to be somewhere between the 450, 500,000 range, and then you are going to see inside the house, you're going to be seeing the bedrooms on different levels. We've got probably 5 bedrooms in each of these houses. We're going to be talking about 3 bathrooms, so you're going to have plenty of space for your entire family. You've got the decent sized lots, as well as most homes have the fenced in yard. So if you're looking for a 2-story, you've got a big family and you're looking to move out to Kansas City, let's check out Cottonwood Creek's 2-story plans, and we might be able to find the house for you. Thank you for coming out and going through this neighborhood with us out here in Kearney, which again is a suburb outside of the Kansas City area. Great place to raise a family. You'd be able to commute into work as well. You're making your move to the Kansas City area. I want to give you 3 tips that are going to help your homeowner's journey a lot easier. So the first tip is, do not, especially when you're out here buying brand new homes, these homes are fairly new, do not defer maintenance. You have to make sure you take care of that home. You're putting a lot of money into this, so if you have something come up, you got to figure out a way to fix it. That leads me into my second one. The second thing is, find yourself a handyman. Find somebody that you trust that's going to be able to take care of these things for you, is going to be able to help you out when you need. And you want to make sure that you can have somebody that when your heat goes out on Christmas Eve, you can call them and they're going to either walk you through how to fix it, how to get, say, a temporary heat, just so that you can make it through the night or make it through the weekend so that they can get out there on Monday morning, or somebody that's going to be like, hey, I'm on my way. I'm heading over there now because I want to make sure that you have heat for Christmas. You want to have a good handyman. The last thing is, a part of that maintenance system is out here in Missouri, it likes to dry out in the summer. You've got to keep the outside watered. What I mean by that is you want to keep the soil around your house, you want to keep it wet, you want to keep it flowing away from your house so you don't have water pushing back on your foundation, but you still got to keep that wet, because otherwise it'll harden and it'll shift and it'll start to break down that foundation and you'll start to develop cracks in that foundation. So those are 3 tips that I think you need to know if you're making the move to Kansas City. And If you enjoyed this video and this neighborhood tour, as well as our tips on what you need to do when you move to Kansas City, make sure you hit that like button on this video. Then subscribe to the channel, hit that little bell so you'll get future notifications from when I, Dylan Fry, the real estate guy, licensed realtor in the Kansas City area, are bringing you more tips and more neighborhood videos, as well as our weekly interviews with different people from the Kansas City area, so you'll really get to know what the Kansas City area is before you make that move.